Morning, y'all. Paul from Go With The Flow couple here. And I want to talk to you today about one of the problems I thought I was going to have, but it turned out I didn't. When we switched from our Columbus Compass, the 41-foot fifth wheel that we named Flow, to our 37-foot Della Terra that we named Terry. Now, a pull-behind travel trailer does not have as much belly storage or basement storage as our fifth wheel did. So I was wondering, where am I going to put all that extra stuff that we had? Well, it turns out we have a perfectly good storage spot, and I'm going to show you how we made use of it to store all of our equipment and supplies that we got out of Flow. Well, first of all, I've already showed you the storage space that we have as a pass-through in Terry, and we've made pretty good use of it. This is on the wet side, and it's where we store all of our supplies like our water hoses and our sewer supplies. On the other side, I had a lot more storage room than I thought I did, so let me show you that. Over here on the dry side of the pass-through storage, I was able to put all of our electrical supplies in this storage box. All of our chairs, except for Mom's big green chair that we like to get out first, store right here. Our outside equipment and supplies, stuff for the dog, and our rug, everything stores pretty nicely in this bay. The other thing we did with the bay is we installed our travel map on the outside of it. Now, as far as the rest of the storage, I thought, what in the world am I going to do about all this other stuff that we have? Well, when you get rid of the fifth wheel, you have the bed of the truck open. So just take this top off, and I just picked up some boxes from a local Home Depot, and they all fit nicely in the bed of the truck. I go 3 across, and then I labeled them. I put stuff that I need to get to, like my emergency tools and supplies. I can get to that from the side. This one has our fire pit in it, a tackle box, outside games, and things that we do with the kids. And the one that I don't get into very often, keep cleaning supplies, lubricating supplies, things like that I'm not going to have to get to very often, but when I need them, I know where they all are, and they're all stored safely in there. The one that's closest to the back is everything that I use for hitching up and a few extra tools. And my toolkit stays back here. That gives me plenty of room, still left over in the bed for Mom's walker, and also I keep our electrical cord stored here when we travel. So a lot of storage area is gained when you take that fifth wheel hitch out, so make use of it. A cover over the bed is nice, that way it doesn't get wet. And we can link a video up here that shows when we added this cover for Mo. And until later, I'm Paul with Go With The Flow couple saying bye, y'all.